PR Pote College has a huge contribution towards my career and helping me to become a professional person. In my second year of engineering, I was secretary of MESA, where I learned how to organize events and management behind it. In third year, I was a student coordinator of Techalons, which added a lot of values to my resume. Our training and placement officer trained me in English speaking and mock interviews. PR Pote also introduced me to foreign education and opportunities through multiple guest lectures and foreign tours. Our college made available many platforms for me to grow and groom myself for the future after engineering.
All I am today is because of the consistent and futuristic efforts taken by the Institute. Right from the soft skill training to the mock interviews, every event has helped me to analyze myself and come up with a better personality every time. It's not only about the decisive opportunities offered by the Institute, but also the optimistic approach of the lecturers, which finished me into a corporate professional. I would like to express my gratitude towards the Institute, Mechanical Engineering Department, Training and Placement Department for making students believe in their dreams.
हे प्रत्येक वर्षी विद्यार्थ्यांना फॉरेन टूरची संधी उपलब्ध करून देते. जर तुम्ही अकॅडमिकमध्ये कन्सिस्टंट असाल आणि तुमच्या कॉलेजचे टॉपर असाल तर ही संधी तुम्हाला नक्की प्राप्त होते. या संधीचा मी सुद्धा लाभ घेतलेला आहे. तसेच कॉलेजद्वारे आयोजित केलेल्या टेक्लॉन्समुळे विद्यार्थ्यांना त्यांच्या इनोव्हेटिव्ह आयडिया शेअर करायला एक प्लॅटफॉर्म मिळतो आणि त्यांच्यातील सुप्त गुणांना वाव मिळतो.
I am really thankful to the college who have given me a great knowledgeable staff who was always behind us and who is always behind the student and working continuously for them so that the students can deliver the best, and I am among them. Because of the efforts of my staff, I was able to secure 2 gold medals at university level for my academic performance. College has huge campus, the advanced lab and great workshop, so that we can work and we can have maximum knowledge from that. College also has the training and placement cell, which is always arranging maximum number of activities so as to boost the confidence of their students and so that they can get placed in the companies. And college has always motivated us by providing the guest lectures, by arranging the technical festival, and the most important thing which is my college is doing, the giving the free foreign tour to their toppers.
PRPC या कॉलेज या संस्थेबद्दल बोलायचे झाल्यास ही अशी एक वटवृक्ष आहे ज्याच्या सावलीमध्ये असंख्य विद्यार्थी घडलेले आहेत आणि आपल्या समाजामध्ये आपले आयुष्य सुखासमाधानाने व्यतीत करतात. अशापैकीच एक मी मेकॅनिकल इंजिनिअरिंगला असताना मला संपूर्ण मेकॅनिकल इंजिनिअरिंगचे ज्ञान या संस्थेमधूनच मिळालेले आहे, ज्याचा परिपूर्ण फायदा मला माझ्या या एक्झामला क्रॅक करण्यासाठी झालेला आहे. तसेच समाजामध्ये जगत असताना माणूस म्हणून कसा जगायचे याचे सुद्धा शिक्षण मला या संस्थेमध्ये मिळालेले आहे. अशा या विद्यार्थ्यांच्या सुप्त गुणांना ओळखून त्याला वाव देणाऱ्या संस्थेचे, मेकॅनिकल डिपार्टमेंटचे, पूर्ण टीचिंग स्टाफ आणि नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफचे मनपूर्वक आभार.
I am very much grateful about all the teaching, non-teaching, all the faculties about their cooperation and the support given at the every stage. They are actually putting their all the efforts for bringing the good fortune to our life. And I must mention here all the efforts taken by the training and placement, that they are actually bringing all those multinational companies in our campus and providing us the ample of opportunities. And being then academic topper, I was being promoted to the free international tour to the Singapore, and that experience was really life fascinating. In that you will get to know all the recent technologies which are being used by the industrial expert nowadays. So that experience was really good and you must get it. Then talking about the college, you will get a very huge, green and clean campus with all the required facilities and best in class infrastructure. Like you might have heard about the Swami Vivekananda Auditorium, which is recently built and it has a capacity of around 10k. So I think it is the largest in Vidarbha. So such kind of facilities you will get there. Then college also provides you the national level tech fest called as the Techalons. So there you can actually boost your all the technical skills as well as the managerial skills. And here I must mention my visit with Honorable Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir, and his speech really impacted me and changed my way towards the life. And just message to the upcoming batches. So first of all, I must congratulate you that you will be going to a part of such a great organization which is also taking care of you as well as your career. And I wish you all the best. Just stay focused, stay at work, and just keep it there and keep your engineering motto alive. Yes, thank you.